Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khaira Kilaskadina from class 9.4. Today I want to review about skeletal system. The skeletal system function as the basic framework of the body, and the entire body are built around the hard framework of skeleton. It is combination of all the bones and tissues associated with cartilage and joints. Another function of skeletal system is to support body, to protect internal organs such as lungs, heart, and so on. Provide red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets in the bone marrow. Stores minerals such as calcium, and then stores fat in yellow bone. Joints plays an important role in the skeletal system because it permits the different type of movement of the human. So if the skeletal system is no any joints, there will be no sign of movement. Inside our body, there are 2,600 of skeleton that can help us to move and can help us to stand up correctly. The main parts of skeletal system is first axial skeleton, such as skull, vertebrae columns, which is spines and rib cage. The second is appendicular skeleton, arms, legs, and so on. There are types of bones. Long bones such as femur and humerus. Short bones, wrist bones. Sesamoid bones, patella. Irregular bones, vertebrae. Flat bones, ribs and skull. Like I said before, the joints play an important role in skeletal system because if there are no joints, it means that there are no movement in human body too, because joints is when two or more bones are met. There are kind of joints too. Socket joint are shoulder and hip. Gliding joints are wrist and ankle. Hinge joint, elbow and knee. Pivot joint is neck. The next material I want to review about measurement. Uh, I know that measurement there are so many kind of measurement. For example, like ruler, the unit can be in inch or centimeter, but we are more familiar with the centimeter one. The function is to calculate the length of things. And then a clock. A clock using units AM and PM. The function of the clocks is to counting time or uh, looking for what time is it. Next, there are thermometer. Usually, when the kids are having fever, the mom can use thermometer to counting the temperature of the fever. Or when you uh, want to make experiment, you can count the temperature of the substance first before you use before you do experiment of your material. The second material of Pi 6 is about pressure. So there is formula. If you want to searching for the pressure, you need to calculate the force divided by the area. If you need to calculate the area, then you need to calculate force divided by pressure. But if you need to counting the force, you can calculate it by formula pressure times by area. Oh yeah, there is Archimedes law too in Pi 6. The formula is Fa equally P times gravity times volume, where Fa means the upward pressure of the liquid by buoyant force or Newton. P means density. K means gravity. V means volume. Next to the chemistry, I want to review about ionic bond, or we call chemical bonds. There are three types of chemical bonds, namely ionic bonds, where chemical bonding, which involves transfer of bonds or atom. The second is covalent bond, which sharing electrons between atoms. The third type of chemical bonds are polar covalent bonds. So maybe that's all from my review of science in ninth grade of the first semester. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you at my next Speaking class.